Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be checking out with the hyperlapse feature that is available on the Rainbow application. So far we have made 3 different videos on Rainbow application where we have in the first video we have talked about the introduction part about the Rainbow application. In the second video we have checked out with the waypoint, orbit and panorama mode and tracking feature. So in that video I have also mentioned about the bugs that are present in the Rainbow application. You guys must check out that video. And in the third video I have told you guys how we can use with the live active track feature that is available on Rainbow application. So you guys must watch all these 3 videos. I have mentioned the video link in the description and I have also given it in the I button, so you guys can check out those videos as well. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly check out with the hyperlapse video.
So guys, in this video I am using a paid Rainbow application. So you guys can use free Rainbow application for the testing, and there are 5 free trials in the free Rainbow application. If you guys want to refill those 5, then you need to every time uninstall and install the Rainbow application, then you will get every time 5 free flights. So this is the interface that you get on the Lychee application once you open it. So here on the left side you can see that we get options to select. Here I have selected hyperlapse. So in a previous video we have tested all other features that are present in this Rainbow application. So for this video we will be testing hyperlapse. So once you select hyperlapse, you need to create a waypoint, that is point 1, point 2, point 3. Simply you can tap on the screen and create these waypoints, and you get a feature to alter the altitude of this waypoint. So guys, once you are done with setting of altitude for the waypoints, so here on the left side you get a waypoint mission settings. Here you get a flexibility to change the head end modes to point to next waypoint using initial direction. So you can also control this head mode by the controller, and even you can select the start waypoint, finishing action, video clarity and gimbal pitch mode. Here even you get a flexibility to change the speed of the drone. For now I am changing the speed to 10.8 km/h. So once you are done with these settings, you can click on arrow mark. So guys, here on the top location icon we get a feature where we can select where our drone has to take the pictures. So for now we will not be selecting this, so we will be doing the simple hyperlapse. So guys, once we are done with all these settings, we can click on the play button that is present on the left side. Once we click on the play button, we get a warning where everything is okay, can take off, and waypoints, number of waypoints, distance and the timing that will be taken to cover all these waypoints. So once we see all that, we can click on the start and we can slide the takeoff button. So here you can see that our hyperlapse mission has started, and drone is moving from the home point to the waypoint 1. So guys, you can see that on the waypoint 1 we had selected 24 meters of altitude. You can see the height. Here our drone has achieved 24 meters of height. So with this, I hope you guys have got the confirmation that even there is no 15 meters limit if you are using the Rainbow application. As of now our drone is tracking the waypoints, but we had not started the hyperlapse. We need to click on the play button that is on the top. After clicking that, hyperlapse will start and our drone will start capturing photos. So guys, in the waypoint 2 we had selected 80 meters of altitude. So as you can see on the screen, our altitude is gradually increasing for 24 to 80. So guys, one more thing to discuss is, in the previous video I was using the free version of Rainbow application, and I had mentioned that whenever the app is crashing and reopening, that time we are not able to see the drone battery status and GPS and everything on the top corner. So but in the paid version, whenever the drone crashes and you guys reopen it, you just simply need to unplug and plug the cable of the RC and all the status are available. So in the paid version I could not find that bug, and that's working totally fine. But in the previous video, as I had mentioned about the capture button, in the video mode capture button was not working from the RC, and in the photo mode it was working. Here also in the paid version I am seeing the same issue. The capture button is not working in the video mode. So guys, till today we have created 4 videos on the Rainbow application testing various features and uploaded all of them on the YouTube. You guys can check out. In the next videos we will be checking out with the Lychee application. If you guys want me to create a video on any particular topic, you guys can suggest me in the comment section. I will do consider it and create a videos on them. So guys, as you can see on the screen, our hyperlapse is done, and we need to click on pause once the hyperlapse waypoints are covered. So now as you can see on the screen, video is being encoded. So once all these pictures are converted into the video, you get an option to play it, and even this video or hyperlapse will be saved in your phone. So you can open it and you can see that our hyperlapse has been created very smoothly. So the hyperlapse was very short because I had selected a small waypoint. The distance was very short. For the video purpose, I had just made it a small waypoint to test it and show you guys that hyperlapse is working fine and you guys can use this hyperlapse. I hope you guys have watched all the videos created on the Rainbow application. You guys will soon see the same kind of tutorials on the Lychee application as well. Once we test the Lychee application, we will definitely do the comparison between the Lychee and Rainbow application.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.